So we're heading into town again today. I thought it was gonna be sunny out because I wanted to test out the GoPro, but it looks like it's gonna rain. We're still gonna go into town, film a little bit. We might be going to an observatory, I don't know, tonight or tomorrow. It just depends if the weather clears up. But right now it's cloudy, it looks like it's gonna rain, so there really isn't much point going there because we won't be able to see anything. But maybe it'll clear up later. Security check complete.
Yes. Don't laugh at me.
Do you want to go in here?
Sure.
Okay. First, we're gonna get some bread. To camera vlogging. How's the bread?
It's good. It's really nutty.
Yeah. Yeah, every time you walk in here, there's like new streets I haven't seen before. Isn't that strange? Mm-hmm. We're looking for a bathroom. This way? Oh, this is that big square. Split City Center is cool because there's public bathrooms everywhere. You do have to pay like 5 kuna to use them, but it's still nice to have them available. Over done. This looks good. It's like those rolls at Little.
Oh, nice.
This is like the big version. That's one thing the GoPro can't do, zoom in on dogs. Look at that one. Oh cool, they have the umbrellas up actually.
Come on.
It's not too busy right now because we're later in the day. We will come back to the market one day.
You will, to get some watermelon.
Yes. Check it out. So this is what the old town used to look like. That's pretty cool. Diocletian's Palace. And you can still see some of the arches.
Yeah.
On the promenade. So we have about a week left in Split, and before we had 2 options for what we were gonna do when we leave here. Now we have more options. So instead of me trying to give you the details of our plans, since our plans change all the time, I'm just gonna stop giving you plans in advance, and then you will see where we're going when we get there, when I post the vlogs, because it's like the second I post it, like on Facebook or on YouTube, it changes. That's what it seems like. So the only concrete plans we have now is that we're moving back into the van September 13th, which is Kuba's birthday. And then after that, we don't know. Oh, other concrete plan. Our 2-week secret trip in February. That's concrete because we already have the tickets. It's good to have all these options. It's just confusing to explain to people because it changes all the time. So we're going somewhere after Split in the van. That's what I can tell you. Grip, it's a floating hand grip, so there's a wrist strap too. So if we're in the water and this falls in, it won't sink. And then I can stick this outside the window in the van and film us and stuff. But yeah, it feels a lot better. And I think it'll help minimize the noise because this was very loud, like when I was holding it, like the rustling noise, so this should help. So yeah, very nice.